So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can turn on or turn off the quiet mode on Instagram. You will not get disturbed when this quiet mode is turned on. So the very first step you have to do is you have to go to your App Store or Play Store and search here Instagram and check whether there is any pending update of Instagram or not, because if your Instagram app is not updated, then you will not get this quiet mode. After updating, just open your Instagram and go to your profile. Next, you have to tap on these three lines available in the top right corner of the screen. And the next option you have to select is you have to go to the settings and privacy, which is the first option in this list. And after that, you have to scroll down and here you get the option notifications. So tap on notifications, and here the second option in this list is quiet mode. So tap on quiet mode and just turn this button on and your quiet mode will be turned on. From here you have to select the timings on which you don't want to get disturbed. For example, let's do it for 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. I'm doing it just for example. You can select the night timings or your job schedules or any timing that suits you. And now this is turned on. If I go back and let me show you that how it works. Let me open up my second account and message that account from here. Let me send a hi. And the people who will message you in this period will be notified that your quiet mode is turned on and you will not be notified at this time. So this will make the clearance to other people and they will not misunderstand you. And if you want to turn this quiet mode off, you just have to again go to your settings by tapping on these three lines. Go to settings and privacy, notifications, and just go to quiet mode and turn this button off and select turn off quiet mode and your quiet mode will be turned off. So that's how you do it. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.